Hello, everyone. We're so excited that you're here for our big team call. We have some amazing guests and some great announcements for you. My name is Jana Jorgensen. I live on Vancouver Island in British Columbia, Canada, and it is just such a pleasure to be associated with IX Global for many, many reasons. Some of you already know those reasons, but mostly because I've really been participating in this profession for over 40 years, and I've never seen a company provide so much for so little. That's such a reasonable amount for you to get started with a business and tap into so many different things. We're going to have a very special guest that's going to be introducing one of our new platforms in trading. And for those of you that haven't been trading lately or you're just starting, you're going to learn so much. But I have had such a great time with FX VIP, which is now going to be Continental VIP, our new platform. It's fabulous. I've been testing this platform for 5 months, and about a week ago, I had accumulated about $1,100 in just 5 trades. And believe me, I've taken a few losses, but not really from FX VIP. So this is really going to be exciting for you if you want to start trading and you feel like, you have to manage your risk, because we all do. You're going to feel so confident when you hear from our guest today. And I love being an entrepreneur. I've been an entrepreneur my whole life. But I have to tell you that the reason I have stayed in networking is because of the personal development and all the information that you gather and that you get to learn. You just become a better person. So with that, I'm going to turn it over to our upline leader, an incredible mentor and coach in our organization. He is the reason that most of us are here. I've worked with him in previous company, and he always shows up in a very humble way. He's built 7-figure incomes with other companies. He's a consultant, and he's one of my dear friends that I am so grateful that I have met over these past few years. So I would like to turn it over now to my friend, Brian Robert, and he's going to introduce our guests. Thank you again.
Yeah. Hey, and Jana, before I jump on, it's okay. This is like our leadership call. We want to get specific, right? And the thing about trading is it's a little intimidating, right, Jana? To get started. And one of the things that we do is we suggest people, hey, go in and get a test account. Start doing stuff, because sometimes we make mistakes on our side. We click the wrong button, and then it doesn't go right. But and I know you showed me screenshots and everything like that, but tell just a little bit more before I have Kevin jump on.
Sure. Oh, I'd love to, Brian. So yes, when I got started just looking at trading, believe me, I'm still using a demo account. But when I got started, I was terrified. I really didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know how to do it. I certainly wasn't willing to risk my own money. So I started with a demo account, and I played around with it. I did some high risk, silly things. And I was glad that it was a demo account. But then I got more serious, and I realized, especially when I was now working with our new FX VIP, that he always did everything very strategic. And I realized that if I even just took the first take profit, that maybe that would be a better route to go than try and go for the big one, go for the gold. So it's a process, but it gave me much more confidence to do that. And when you have that demo account that you can relate to, and you start to see what you're doing, then, and if you treat it like it's your own money. So for example, if you open a MetaTrader 4 account, it will give you, $100,000. And I was doing that, so it seemed like, well, it's a lot. I can just, I can do anything. Who cares if I lose 50,000? It's not my money, right? But that's not the way to do it. So I started working with just a $5,000 account. I started limiting myself and then really getting serious. And it's just been a fantastic experience. I'm certainly not an expert trader by any means, but I feel more confident, and I feel now with what we're bringing on and into our company that we are going to have an opportunity to take those lower risks and grow our accounts and see what happens. So it's really, really a lot of fun. And I invite you to do that right away when you get started, is to open that demo account and start taking the trades and doing the trades. And you will just gain so much more confidence in what you're doing. And you'll start to realize that this is a doable thing. It is absolutely doable.
Thanks, Jana. And it's funny because it was, I don't know, several weeks ago, a couple months ago, Jenna was like, who I really like? I like Kevin Schultz and their what they're doing. She's like, my results are phenomenal. I'm taking a few trades. She's showing me her screenshots and everything. And she's saying, I've almost lost nothing. I mean, right. You know how it is in trading, right? Is wins and losses, but what they're doing. I have the pleasure of introducing Kevin, and Kevin and I now have known each other for since really the end of 2019, something like that, right, Kev? Beginning of 2020, and we've developed, I think, a really good friendship. Knows a lot of people over here, and Kevin really is a networker. He's one of the biggest networkers. Lives out of there in Germany, has had unbelievable success. He's the person, he's only been with one company, built that company to the highest level, is incredibly respected. When I talk to people out in Europe, pretty much anywhere, when they hear his name, they immediately have respect. So he's built absolutely huge businesses in the network marketing business. He's part of our team over here too, and really came in and developed a trading system. I think for a lot of people, a lot of our team members, a lot of us are building in these different time zones. And so it really hits great. And they have thousands of people. And I'll tell you about the character of this guy. First of all, the trust that he's had, here with us at IX and also with me, because none of this stuff happens overnight. It takes time to build these companies. It takes time to build the infrastructure. And he literally came in and has been, running this system, giving the trades, helping people make money for free, because he wanted to show the value of what we have. And now he has thousands of people that are part of his platform. It's getting ready to go. It's already live, right? But it's getting ready to go live, with the company, with commissions, if you're going to go ahead and pick up and be a part of it. And it's just phenomenal what he's doing. He's going to, be on a lot of these calls. He's going to be different things. You're going to see what he's doing out there promoted. And I'm just so happy that he's here. And I was telling him a little bit about this call, hey, this is our leadership call, our team call. We very casual over here, but I would love for him to not just talk about the trading side. Of course, we want that, because every one of y'all should be following what he's doing, because the results are unbelievable. But also maybe, Kevin, if that's okay, just tell a little bit about your history and a little bit about the network marketing side, because, we're all, not only do we all want to make money in trading, but we also all want to have success in network marketing. And this is another thing. And I'm sure when I'm embarrassing him here, when I want to tell him all this, but he's the kind of guy that it's like, hey, it doesn't matter if it's my team or not. You need me on there, I'll get on the call, I'll do the thing. Rising tide rises all ships. And so I'm grateful and that he's here. We're blessed to have him and his team, because it's not just him, his group that is doing this with IX, and he's going to be an integral part of everything that we're doing moving forward. And so, Kevin, if you would just take a few minutes, talk about your system, but also tell everybody who you are and everything else. And, this is a quick call, but so there'll be plenty more, but I'll turn it over to you, Kev.
So, yes, I think you can hear me, guys. Give me a
Yes.
thumbs up. Okay, perfect. So first of all, I want to say thank you to have me here, because for me, you have to know about me. So Brian is explaining a little bit about me and about the past. We know each other so long, try so much things, because we know each other from my first company, MLM company. and then something happened and we say, hey, okay, let's do something which really works and blah, blah, blah. Because you have to know, I'm 29 years old, live in Germany, in a small village, Western Germany near Dortmund. I think you might know the city Dortmund. And I built network marketing, and I actually know everybody is saying that, but for me, it's really the truth. I'm building network marketing not only because of making money, because before I start network marketing, I have 2 huge online stores. In the first online store, I sold multimedia stuff like PCs and smartphones and mouses and subwoofers. And on the second online store, I sold car parts, wheels, tires, and all that stuff. And if you believe me or not, I make so much money in the age of 18, 19, 20, that for me in a young age, I lived at home to this time with my parents, that money was there for me. And I always see the multi-level marketing industry as a big scam because, yeah, what should I say? Everybody is talking, nobody is making money. And I was a guy, I was 18 years old and said, hey, I don't give a shit about all these young guys, especially here in Germany. You have to know it. 90% of all the guys are very, very young. Nobody's making money. All the parents say, this business, in quotes, what my kid is doing, he's not making money at all. This is a scam. This is a snowball system. He is selling. We don't know what he's selling actually. And this is the reputation here in Germany. So one of my good friends and business partners said to me, Kevin, what do you think if we try to change it here in Germany? Because my reputation is good. I have a lot of teams around the world because of my stuff, which I do before network marketing. And then for me, it was easy to do it. And the end of the road in my network marketing career, I have close to 15,000 guys in my industry, in my downline, I would say, downline, and make a lot of money too. So my parents said, hey, we don't know what this guy is actually doing, but he's making a lot of money too, not only in the online store world, but he's making it in the network marketing world. And for me, the most important thing was that the reputation is good, because I want to change this bad reputation of multi-level marketing. I stand on the stage with Tony Robbins here in Germany. You might know Tony Robbins. I was with him on the stage. I talk with Eric Rory privately. So we are all good together, and I want to change everything. And for me, with a couple of friends, so I'm not the only guy in Germany which building network marketing successfully, don't get me wrong. But for me, the most important thing was to say, okay, we want to change the industry, not only by seeing, hey, come in and you're gonna be rich. No, it's about family. It's about good reputation. It's about changing lives, not only on the financial side, but in general, you know. And the second very funny fact is that before I leave the first time, I hate the trading side, because what happens? So much young guys here in Germany, nobody earns money. These guys talk so much positivity about trading, but I know these guys and nobody earns money, you know? And therefore I was a little bit disappointed and say, I don't trust this trading industry and this trading groups. And yeah, like I said before, this was another challenge for me. So I sit down, a lot of guys come with me. My reputation was very good because of my success in the industry. And I learn a lot of new guys. So a lot of new guys come into my network and say, Kevin, trading is good. You can try it with a demo account. So with monopoly money, we in Germany call it monopoly money. So it's no real money. Doesn't matter how much you lose. But you have to treat it like it's real money. Like it's already said here in the call before, don't say anything against it, because you have to do it as it's your own money. But I promise you guys, at the beginning, you will lose. You will lose, you will lose, you will lose. If you don't listen to the guys which already have success in this industry. I have too much ego to hear from somebody at the beginning. I said, no, stop. I know it better. Don't tell me stuff about trading. I'm the master here in Germany. This is the way to do it. And I lost money. And I'll be honest to you, it was not only demo money. I lost so much real money you cannot imagine, really. And then my ego slows down. I sit there and learn everything about it. Years after, day by day, I sit there every day. I sit into the charts. I look what's going on. I talk with all the guys around the world. We connect each other. And then we built an own product. And at the beginning, I explained it to Brian. I said, Brian, I have something together with my friends, with my close friends, trading guys, professionals in the industry, not like me, a newbie in trading back in the days, okay? And he said, okay, Kevin, let's do something. Maybe we can create something. I said, hey, don't get me wrong. Let's do it for free, because I don't want to hide something. Let's give it for free. So we start, let me think, we start at April 26 this year. April 26, we started into IX Global, because I know Joe very well. I know Brian very well. So we worked together, and these guys said, Kevin, if you want, let's try it. If you gave this to us for free, something must work there, because otherwise you will say, hey, at the beginning, we need this and that and money, because I have to pay my traders. Costs a lot of money, but I take it from my pocket and give it to my traders, because I want to give it for free to the community, not only to you guys, also to my friends in Germany, Switzerland, Austria, Latin America, India. I have so much guys, everybody testing it, and the results are good. I'll be honest to you, there are a couple of stop losses. So it's not only profit, but with the right risk management. And when you have the psychological things into your head, which comes with the time, I promise, it's like a normal business. You have to learn it. You have to educate yourself. You have to hear to the guys which already have what you want to have. And then everything works very well. So as of right now, I can say to you, the beta version will end as soon as possible. And from FX VIP, this was the old name in quotes, we generate Continental FX. Why Continental FX? Because we can use it all over the world. It's not only for German citizens or United States guys, doesn't matter. If you want to test it, come in the for free group, start a demo account. There is no risk at all. No risk at all. And if you don't try it, you will never know if it's work or not. This is like in every situation in the world. It's not only about trading. You have to try it, and afterwards you know, okay, is this good or is this something which don't work? So everything is fine. And just a small things, we provide an average 3 to 8 signals per day. So it's just copy paste. You need an app. This is MetaTrader 4. This is the basic stuff. I think you might know the basic stuff of trading in quotes. If not, please go to your uplines or speak to the right person into the company. These guys will explain. Or if you need me, don't get me wrong, I'm there. If you need me, ask me. Brian should give my information out. Doesn't matter if 3,000 people text me. I will take my time. I will answer you guys. I promise. Brian knows me. Doesn't matter which time. Doesn't matter which date. If it's Christmas, if it's New Year's Eve, if it's my birthday, doesn't matter. I'm 100% there. And like I said, 3 to 8 signals per day. And we have close to 90% success rate. So round about 90% of everything works. Works don't mean you can buy a new Lamborghini tomorrow. Works mean you make money. You make more than you lose. This is what you have to understand. When something is positive in the trading world, doesn't mean tomorrow we are rich. Please go to the lottery. If you have luck, you made the money, everything is good, and stay out of business. Business takes time. I have to learn it. Now I'm 29 years old. I'm an entrepreneur since 12 years, and it's not the average way to start when you are 16 or 17, because everybody go to disco or meeting girls or drinking alcohol. This was not my stuff. I'm be honest to you guys. And I hope you understand how I work. So for me, it's all about family and reputation. And Brian knows that if you guys need something, or the company will say, hey, Kevin, maybe we need another month to give it to them. I'm the last guy who say, no, let's do it not that way. We have to do it this way, which I want. No, we have time. Everything is good. But we will launch it, because I'm not only a trading guy. If you hear Brian said, hey, we have a long history in network marketing, over 15,000 guys around the world, speaking on the stages, educate everybody. I have multiple six-figure earners in my downline in the past. So a lot of guys which made huge money, not because of me, you know what I mean, because of the company, the compensation plan, my help, my belief, their families. This all is a roundabout 360-degree program, network marketing. You cannot come in and make money and be rich. This is not working, because all the young guys here in Germany told you that, hey, you only sit there, make a lot of things in the computer, push X, push W, push enter, and you are a millionaire. This is the German network marketing proposal, but this is scam and fake. And therefore it's a little bit risky to talk, because one example I will give you, when we sit on Christmas time on the table with all the family, and all the guys asking, hey, what do you do for living? And you said network marketing. I promise you guys here in Germany, you can leave the table and jump into the toilet, because you cannot imagine what happened in Germany. It is like you're dealing drugs, or you know what, it's crazy, really. And therefore, this was my challenge and the challenge of all the other guys to say, okay, we want to change it, because it cannot be happen. All of my United States guys, all of the American guys, doesn't matter from which company, made so much money, so much reputation. These guys are stars in the industry. And we here in Germany will be treated like dumb asses. It cannot be this cannot be true. So we have to change something. So product was for free since April 26. We give it 3 to 8 signals per day, 90% success rate. And what can I say? Daily result report. So I'm not only with my guys, not only send the signals in and try it, and if you ask me something, I delete your number. No, there is a daily results report on the weekend. So Friday or Saturday, there is a weekly results report. Everything works perfectly. Just remember, it's not only profit. You have to draw a line at the end of the month, at the end of 3 months, at the end of the year. This is trading, long-term experience, building psychologically strength, and everything will work. I promise you guys, absolutely, you can trust me, because you might know, if this stuff will not bring money into your pockets, why should we build a team? This was bigger than 10,000 guys here in IX. The first beta group was close to 10,000 guys. The product was for free. We have close to 10,000 guys on the product, statically growing. And now we decide to say, okay, let's give something to the teams back, because like you might know, I'm a network marketing guy and I want to give back something. And it's not only that you can use the product and trade. No, you can earn with it actually without trading, because we say, okay, what can we do for the guys who want to recruit, have huge teams? And it's very easy. Just imagine the price point on the product. So by the way, Brian, should I explain something about the price point, or is this not the topic of this call?
I think you could do it on here, because this is just the leaders. So yeah, you could talk about it here. Okay. Obviously, the company is going to make an announcement on the big, the global call and everything. So yeah, you could explain it.
Yeah, this is special information for you guys, VIP guys, VIP information. So just for you to realize, the normal price point is $25. This is the price for the product. But if you have one guy in your direct downline, in your first line, which already also have the product, you receive a $10 direct bonus. So if you count 1 and 1 together, if you have 3 guys directly, it brings you $30 profit. So the product is for free for you. You know what I mean? And this is something which we want to bring in, because I know how stressful and how difficult maybe in certain times build with a normal product in network marketing could be, because I know it from my past. Okay, not everybody has the success and the luck. For me, there is no luck, but you know what I mean, the luck to build huge organization. But when you explain to somebody there is a product, copy paste, you put it from the Telegram group or whatever channel or app it will be in the future, you put it down to your MetaTrader 4 trading app, you make money with it. And when you have direct guys into your downline on the network marketing side, you earn as well. So the product is for free, you make money for free. This is a no-brainer. Everybody can build with it. And for us, doesn't matter. If you want to build with it, cool. If not, just try it. You have nothing to lose. And this is the thing, I think this is 100% transparency. If there is any question, you can ask on global calls or in your leader calls, uplines, doesn't matter, we are there. We have nothing to hide. And 90% success rate, average, week by week. I think everything is good. I would not promote it if it's not good, because it's all about reputation, I'll be honest to you. I want to travel to United States again. I want to travel to India again. I want to travel to Latin America again. I want to go outside in Germany. And I'll be honest to you, I cannot, if a product or a business is not good or we scam people, you know what I mean? Then my reputation is on the line and I cannot leave my house. And I'm so young, I want to leave my house. I want to go to Brian. I want to go to everybody, sit together, build together, eat together, make business together. And trust me, guys, the money comes by itself. I promise you. From alone, we build together, have fun together. The product is there. Everything is good. But keep it short and simple. It's just a product. If you sell it, you make money. If you not sell it, you also make money, just by using it. So it's a win-win-win situation. So for me, everything should be fine. Otherwise, I like I said, I would not give it to the company, especially for free, since so much months. Like I said, 26th of April, we start for free, over 10,000 guys into the group. And I'm excited for it. Let's do it. If you guys want, the opportunity is there to make money with it without using it. You can use it, make money with it. So all is good. And like I said, for me, it's a no-brainer. $25 if you bring it to your downline and you have 3 guys, which is easy when the product brings money. You can trust me, guys. There are so much guys into the industry worldwide which selling products which doesn't work. Brian knows these companies, myself also. So much products, like so much. There are boys like me sitting in front of old people and selling lipsticks. Hey, this lipstick will revolutionize the world. People like me, 27 years old, talk to a woman which is 70 years old. You need this lipstick, you need this lipstick, you need this energy drink, blah. Everything is good. But you have to understand, when you have a product which guarantee money to the average person by copy paste something, your friend zone will ask, hey, what do you do there? You earn money with it? Okay, can I use it as well? Perfect. 3 guys into your downline, the product is for free for you. So what should be wrong? I hope you understand it a little bit. Sorry for my bad English. And if you need
your English is good. Kevin, before you go off, I thought I saw a hand go up. Maybe I was mistaken. Gabrielle.
Yes, Gabrielle.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, thanks. I just want to say a short sentence because, hi, Kevin, I'm from Germany. And I'm really happy to see one human being from my country here in this call. I think since months, you are the first one I meet here. Thank you for your really enthusiastic words, and yes, maybe we can talk together, you and me, in our language.
Yeah, absolutely.
One time, if you have time, it would be great for me because I have some questions. And yes, it's yeah.
For me, it's also good. For me,
thank you. What?
For me, it's also good because, guys, you have to understand, I'm not alone. You know what I mean? We have the power here in Germany. I am on a leaders call from Brian. He gave me a call a couple of days ago. Kevin, we need you. Please explain. All the guys want to know you. And then I jump into the call and I see you, Gabrielle. And natürlich können wir auch auf Deutsch sprechen. Wir werden uns
no, because it's important, because since 1 week I'm not very well because I have a fever and coughing and so on, because my voice, it's really, and I had a lot of time to think about the network marketing, the company, and to think about how can I continue, just to think about some strategies, because you are so right, because we here in our little country, comparable with the United States, and our mentality is so different, it's really like that. When you tell people here about network marketing or something of trading or something like that, they think you are crazy. You are the really stupid person, and why you don't go to work normally.
But the reason for it, sorry that I interrupt you, but the reason for it, guys, that you all understand it, it's not only about the industry. It's about, and don't get me wrong, there are a lot of bad guys in the industry. A lot of bad guys who's talking bullshit and scamming people. And actually, this is the reason. And Gabriel, to you, trust me, if I'm here in the company, you can trust the company, because for me, you can ask Brian. For me, it's all about reputation. I go with such a glass and look on every company, because we built so huge downlines, over 15,000 guys, and after so many years, we found out that this company and the owner of this company in the past did something wrong, and I leave. You can ask Brian in the same second.
Yeah, but Kevin, when Brian invite you to this call tonight, you can be sure that everybody of us will trust you, because you. But I'm really touched, and I'm really happy to have you here in this call, because just to tell you that let's take time to talk about that, because we are
Gabriella,
here,
we're gonna
different...
have oh, sorry, go ahead.
No, talk.
Oh, okay. I was just gonna say, we're gonna definitely have Kevin on. We're probably gonna do some maybe even, I'll get him and some of his team to do, and especially once we launch, their product officially and everything, we'll do some in-depth trainings, and because we really want to start promoting it, not just through our teams, and it's already happening, through other teams and everything. But so I'll make sure we get this set up where y'all can talk and everything else. And we actually, let me see if he's still, I'm about to put this guy on the spot. So Paul Scott, you see right here, he's on the call. He's actually at my house. He's in Germany. Whatever, a week ago. And him and he represents a huge team that's coming in, and some other people that are over here. And he speaks German. It was so funny. I was listening to him and Michael speak German. I was like, this is awesome. I was like, I can't wait, for y'all to hear and meet them. And you see Paul, Paul is actually sitting upstairs right now. And they're literally just signing up, a few days in the business. And so Paul, I'm gonna put you on the spot to talk for 60 seconds. So there we go. We got Michael over there too, and he's fluent in German, and he's over here at my house. And so I don't know if y'all wanted to say one thing, say hi. I was hoping y'all at some point we could do a call. These guys represent giant teams in the industry that are coming in. So if you just guys want to say hi, introduce yourself to some of the leaders that are here, and then we'll wrap the call up and go from
I'm
there.
excited. I'm excited to be here. Guys, I've been in network marketing for over 2 decades. I've been full-time for about 18 years. Before that, I was on Wall Street, derivatives, equities, commodities trading, and agricultural commodities. Kevin, ich lebe sie in den Staaten und ich komme aus Wiesbaden. Ich bin dort zur Schule gegangen. Meine Schwester wohnt immer noch da in Neustadt an der Weinstraße. Und ich freue mich auf die Zusammenarbeit mit dir. So.
Ich freue mich auch, mein Lieber. Vielen Dank. Und schauen wir mal, dass wir das Ganze hier aus Deutschland vernünftig hochziehen.
Toll.
Yeah, and what's up, guys? Great to meet everybody. My name is Paul. Been in the industry for about 8 years, full time for the last 3. It was actually funny because I just really became full time right after I had graduated college. So, had a whole, life shift. And, like Brian had said, it's been crazy just kind of how things took off these last couple of years, but really excited to work with you guys and this opportunity with IX. And ja, Kevin, freut mich, dich kennenzulernen. Ich kann auch Deutsch. Ich bin kein Deutscher wie Michael, aber ich habe in die Schule gelernt und ich habe in Österreich gewohnt. Und ich habe gerade von Augsburg gekommen. Also letzte Woche war ich in Deutschland. Aber ja, ich freue mich, dir auch zum Arbeiten, mitarbeiten.
Ja, ich freue mich auch. Ich hätte nicht gedacht, dass so viele Deutsche hier. So I said I was not sure that so many Germans are here. So we are more Germans on the call, like all the other guys. So
ist auch das erste Mal, Kevin. Ist das erste Mal.
He said it's the first time. So yeah, must be a sign if Kevin joins the call.
It's a sign, Kevin. Yep.
So next time, Brian, we want to expect that you talk a little bit German with us.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
We'll see about that. But so guys, I know we went a little bit over. But this was just such a great call. I was just so grateful, Kevin, that you came on. And this is our kind of Monday call. We really started it in the beginning as just kind of just a small leadership call, but we've kind of started pushing it out and letting more people come on and everything. And it's just exciting for you to be here. You all have the schedules for all the other calls that we're doing. I mean, our team, we have calls going every day on different subjects. Tomorrow, of course, we have our VIP 100 call. It's really a basic call. How do you sign up that first person, those first few people, give some training. We do, other calls. We were just on a big call with this incredible team that we have coming in from Nigeria. Some of them are on, Sam Messiah, Mr. Smith, and a lot of others ones that are on here. So I'll just kind of close with this last thing. We're here in the call today with Joe talking the kind of the State of the Union that we do every week, and all these different things we talked about, getting the programming done and getting our servers where we can have stuff. It's done. It was just here a few weeks ago. Other stuff that's launching or trips and everything else, but there's so much more things coming. I'm under NDA, so I have to be really careful. But when we talk about the metaverse and some of the stuff that we're bringing in, the NFT stuff and all these other spaces, I'm telling y'all, no one can touch what we have and where we're going. We got the enhancements coming from the first of the year to, for the compensation plan. I see Josh Fair's on here, and he was a large part of that, making it easier to hit those VIP ranks, making it simpler, putting more money in people's pockets. And I tell you, the future is bright. We're not even a 2-year-old company yet. We're barely starting as a company, and we're already about to crack that 3 million a month threshold, which is shocking in this short period of time. And the sky's the limit. So we're in the right place. We have a lot of support. I'm so excited for everybody that's here and all the leaders that we have, and of course all the other leaders that can't be on the call right at this time frame, but are on other calls and part of our team. So anyway, plug in, put your head down. And, something that I heard years and years ago, so it's not my saying, but I'm going to repeat it. If you want to have a better Christmas, this year, next year than you had this year, you start this year. We work hard this year towards what kind of Christmas do you want to have next year? Imagine what even $500 extra a month or $1,000 extra a month would do for your life and your lifestyle, for people all over the world. And then, of course, the sky's the limit, what people can earn and where they can go. And I believe that we're bringing the dream team, people with the ethics like Kevin. I'm telling you, the reputation that he has, everything he's ever talked about is like, if it's not real, if it's not good, I'm not going to be involved. So anyway, that's all. We'll go ahead and close the call out, but thank everybody so much for being on, and we'll all be probably talking to each other soon in one form of another all this week. So let's push hard. And then, Kevin also said one other thing, and I'll say this. When you have family, I got lots of family flying in, excuse me. And when somebody's at the table and talking and, hey, what have you been up to? It's so simple to say, have you ever heard of forex, trading? Have you ever heard of cryptocurrency? Yeah, I've heard about that. Oh, you're involved with that? Yeah. I am involved with that. Well, how does that work? It's such a simple, easy conversation. Then like Kevin said, well, I've got a great skin moisturizer for you, and it's like, well, I'm not interested. It's a simple, easy conversation because everybody in the world is working. Everybody thought this COVID thing was going to be gone and done in 2 weeks. Here we are, 2 years later. And so everybody is worried. They're looking for that plan B to make a little bit of extra money. And it's simply just starting a conversation and saying, hey, you know what? I'm not even an expert with it. When you got 20, 30 minutes, I'll put someone on the phone with you and they can explain what we're doing. And it's just as simple as that. And everybody's looking. So look for those opportunities in your daily life that you can, show the business. And I think you'll be surprised at how many people are interested. So anyway, thank you all so much. Kevin, thank you so much too. I'm sure we'll talk here very soon. And everybody have a great day.
Awesome. Thank you, everyone. And don't forget, we have the VIP 100 call tomorrow. Lots happening. Thank you, Kevin. This has been an amazing time with you. And we're so excited for Continental FX to get started. So thank you, Team Cameroon, for being on today. We're so excited for you as well. And we're opening up Africa. Thank you. Bye-bye.